Today is April 1st, and the price of gas is $2.70 per gallon. I'm inspired to continue working on my hydrogen project. And what I've done is installed 2 hydrogen generators behind the battery of my car. From the hydrogen generators, I have some neoprene transmission line running first through a filter, which is the transparent glass type, and then on from there into the air intake manifold. I'm monitoring the transparent fuel filter carefully because I want to see if any water is coming up from the generators and going through the lines. It'd be bad for the engine if that happened. What I'm doing here is filling each generator through a funnel with exactly 1 cup of the solution, which is distilled water and bicarbonate of soda. Now the first road test is going to start in Mason, Michigan, and I'm going to drive back home a distance of 41.7 miles. I top the gas off in Mason, and I'm going to fill it back up in Napoleon, and I'm going to find out exactly how much gas I burned and how many miles per gallon I'm getting. Now normally the car gets up to 38 miles per gallon highway. So I got my generators filled up, put the filler plugs in, and then I got in the car and I powered up the generators, started the engine, and it ran pretty good. So we went out on the highway and topped it off with gas and headed for home. Now out on the highway it began to sputter a little bit, and when we stopped I checked the filter and found that indeed some water had gotten in.
Did you flip it up?
So I'm going to have to build a water trap to stop that. But the encouraging thing is that when I checked the mileage, I was getting 48 miles per gallon. And what you just saw there is a little indicator light by my leg showing the power was on to the generators. We're traveling at 70 miles per hour. And aside from getting that little bit of water coming through, the engine ran very smoothly. So I'm going to have to make some modifications and try this experiment all over again. But 48 miles per gallon is very good.